In this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to bring life back into your rusty car. I'm Michael and I own a 1976 Datsun 1200. As you can see, there is more rust than car. Before you work on any car, you gotta find out what you're up against. For a car like this, I'm gonna have to take everything apart, which would be the next step. So I've already jumped the gun and started taking this thing apart. These Datsuns are prone to rust in the rear quarter panel here and inside the front cowl. In a future episode, I'll show you how to remove factory spot welds so you can take the car apart where bolts and screws aren't present. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. I've taken out the doors, glass, panels, tray, motor, transmission, and electrical. I've still yet to do the rear suspension and the brake line. I'm going to be going for a full shaved and tucked engine bay look, so that will be coming in future episodes. So I'm a bit too ambitious for my own good. I live in an apartment, so I gotta kinda be respectful about dust and noise. Make sure I don't start any fires. This is one of my forever cars, so slowly but surely, I'm gonna do what it takes. I've got most of the parts out of the car. They're sitting in my guest bedroom at the moment. I'm gonna be refreshing all these parts. Remove the surface rust, paint, put in some new bushings. This is the A12 motor. I'll be giving the whole thing a refresh, the whole long block, clutch, flywheel, bearings, rear main seal, everything. If you want to know how I got it out of the car and onto my balcony by myself, let me know in the comments below. So that was a little introduction on the Datsun. Next video we'll be getting into the nitty-gritty, chopping, cleaning, welding, get some work done. Click the subscribe button below, as well as the bell to be notified of my next video. Help me grow this channel, because there's a lot of things I want to show the internet. See ya!